Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for all TikTok users. What to do if you receive a message saying you're prevented from sending or receiving messages due to multiple community guidelines violation. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what this message means. TikTok has community guidelines in place to ensure the platform is safe and enjoyable for everyone. If you violate these guidelines multiple times, TikTok may restrict certain features on your account, such as messaging. So, what should you do if you find yourself in this situation? Here are some tips to follow. Step 1. Understand the violation. Review TikTok's community guidelines to identify what you might have done wrong. These guidelines cover a wide range of activities from posting inappropriate content to engaging in spammy behavior. To find the guidelines, go to your profile, tap on three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and select Terms and Policies. Then tap on Community Guidelines. Step 2 is to review your recent content and interaction. Check your videos, comments, and messages to see if anything you posted might have violated the guidelines. Appeal the decision if you believe it was a mistake. TikTok allows you to appeal account restrictions. Here how you can do it. Go to Report a Problem, then tap on Interaction, and then select Can't Send or Receive Messages or direct message. You'll find an option to submit an appeal. Wait for TikTok's response and ensure you stay compliant in the meantime. It might take a few days for TikTok to review your appeal, so be patient. While you're waiting, make sure you're following all community guidelines to avoid further issues. Post appropriate content, interact respectfully, and avoid any behavior that might be considered spammy. And I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials.